Okay. Sir, saan po kayo galing ngayon sa Netherlands po para makarating dito?
Galing pa ako sa Utrecht. For the benefit of those who don't know where that is, it takes 2 hours for me to travel door to door hanggang makapunta ako sa Duterte Street.
Tapos, it's the gate.
Yes. Well, I am confident in the ability of the defense team of the former president, particularly Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, the lead defense counsel, because I know that they have been preparing already. And they're prepared to litigate and argue before the court. Because again, it's the job of the prosecution naman to defend the allegation hurled against the former president. So most likely, although the entire hearing will be streamed online and everybody can follow that, but as personally, I am really confident as I need to exude a positive aura with respect to the difficult situation that the former president is currently facing.
What's your reaction?
I am for former President Duterte na hindi magpakita before the court. Alam mo, before the confirmation of charges hearing, bakit? Kasi ayaw ko na maging meme siya, maging katatawanan sa mata ng mga detractors, adversaries or kritiko ni former President. Mas maganda nga na hindi siya nagpakita because he will most likely give credence to the supposed jurisdiction na kiniklaim ng court, where in fact the former president is a Filipino citizen, a former head of state, and I strongly believe from the very beginning that he should be tried before the local courts in the Philippines.
Dito naman po tayo sa Duterte Street. Lagi nandito po yung mga supporters. Bakit po mahalaga po sa inyo na nagagalit po dito sa supporters halos araw-araw?
Halos araw-araw, just to put a premise to that, the Duterte Street is born out of the unwavering love and support of the supporters ni former president na hindi lang based dito sa Netherlands but all over the world. And volunteers secured a permit for this, particularly to ensure yung mga supporters makafeel sila ng sort of safe haven, calmness, security, and safety because hindi tayo basta-basta mapapaalis ng mga taong ayaw naman sa atin dito sa labas ng detention facility. Bakit importante na nandito yung mga Pilipino sa labas? Because naniniwala kami, although we cannot really influence the judicial proceedings with respect doon sa kaso ni PRRD, but our presence hopefully will send a feeling that will pierce through the wall of the detention facility, which currently is at the background, no? Na sana ma-feel ni PRRD na hindi kami susuko sa kanya in the same way na dapat hindi siya sumuko sa pagkikipaglaban kasi alam namin na ang ginawa niya lang ay ang tama para sa bayan. Bilang presidente, ginampanan niya ang promise niya even during the campaign period. And the Filipinos decided to vote for him specifically for that promise to be done.
Kanina po sir, may press con yung mga anti-Duterte po. Hindi po
Yes, I followed the press
ano
conference.
yung
My reaction is that in a democratic society, they are very much free to express whatever their position is. In the same way that the supporters of the former president are also, or should be, free enough to express their dissent or whatnot. Ang diniscuss lang naman nila doon is yung mga family ng mga alleged victims ng war on drugs, ano yung kaso kay PRRD, na-explain nila kung ano yung posisyon nila, bakit nandito sila. Ang reaction ko lang, do whatever it is that, makes you happy or whatnot to support your position. Or in the same way, we're also doing our best to express our position as supporter of the former president. So I'm sorry, I'm just really passionate about this. That's why I'm so direct, and I really want the Filipino people to see that it takes not only one Filipino to stand for the man who stood for us when nobody would even dare to curb the problems that are permeating our society. So yeah, that's
may
why.
expect po sa mga Duterte?
Well, obviously, Duterte supporters are law-abiding citizens because for the very reason that we secured a permit exclusively because we obey the law permeating the Netherlands as a government. Pero we remain steadfast. We remain resolute in our unwavering love and support to the former president. Because again, the job to defend the former president lies to the defense team, which are very much able to do that and litigate that before the court. So our presence will serve as an indication that the support to the former president will never waver. Thank you. Ganyan talaga.